Top 10 Addiction Rehabs in Detroit. Many Detroit addiction treatment facilities for you offer different sets of amenities. Before entering a program, it's important to first understand the functions of the various types of treatment programs. For individuals struggling with addiction, the Detroit Addiction Rehab Centers are available and provide various services. Here is the list of the top 10 rehab centers. Number 10, Metro East Treatment Corporation. They offer medication-assisted treatment. Their programs are designed to help people stop using addictive substances and to provide the tools they need to live a healthy life. Number 9, Institute of Supportive Services. They believe that client services are very personal experiences with distinct physical, emotional, and spiritual components that may differ significantly with each individual. They understand that each client brings a unique life experience to the therapeutic environment, which plays an essential role in the development of the service plan. Number 8, John D. Dingle Veteran Affairs Medical Center, Substance Use Disorder Services. Its mission is to provide timely, compassionate, and high-quality care to those we serve by encouraging teamwork, education, research, innovation, and continuous improvement. And their vision for the next decade is to be recognized as a leader in healthcare, with a focus on meeting the unique healthcare needs of the community. Number 7, New Light Recovery Center. The mission of New Light Recovery Center is to deliver the highest level of quality care to narcotic-dependent individuals, enabling them to reach the goals of recovery and rehabilitation. Number 6, Quality Behavioral Health. At QBH, we know how important it is to ensure you're getting the proper treatment, depending on what personal or narcotic issues are troubling you. They've designed several sufficient and life-changing programs that are proven to be effective and long-lasting. Number 5, Central City Integrated Health. Central City Integrated Health has been serving the residents of Detroit and Wayne County since 1972, providing whole health wellness services to all people, regardless of their situation. Number 4, Self-Help Addiction Rehabilitation Incorporated, SHAR. SHAR is all about empowering people to take control of their lives while helping thousands of people over decades. Our experience has discovered the age-old irony that you can only take and retake control of your life after you learn to let go. Number 3, Sacred Heart Rehabilitation Center. Sacred Heart provides an extensive array of behavioral health services, including substance use disorder prevention and treatment, mental illness treatment, and HIV/AIDS prevention and care management. Number 2, Elmhurst Home. Elmhurst Home Incorporated is a nonprofit organization that provides recovery with dignity for men and women who have issues with substance abuse and criminal conduct. Birthed to help those in need, Elmhurst Home Incorporated has delivered high-quality, effective addiction treatment since 1970. They aim to serve our clients' physical, mental, and emotional needs on the road to recovery. Number 1, Advanced Rapid Detox. The team is committed to helping clients withdraw safely from different opiates, such as heroin, fentanyl, Demerol, codeine, and hydrocodone. The clinic also offers a wide range of rapid detox under sedation programs for tramadol, Norco, oxycodone, and methadone. Patients who avail of the programs stay in private rooms inclusive of all meals. The clinic's team of mental health professionals attends to patients' needs 24/7. Detroit Addiction Treatment Centers provide a continuum of care at a range of intensities to ensure the effectiveness of treatment. Finding a program that is a good fit for the individual's needs can lead to a successful treatment process and a life of sobriety. Learn more about addiction treatment options available for you or to your loved one here. Does someone you love suffer from drug addiction? Don't wait until it's too late. Call our 24/7 helpline at 1-800-570-2259. A caring addiction specialist is awaiting your call.